After a long week of work, Daddy Thompson is tired. He needs a rest.
Stay quiet.
Stay quiet.
Stay quiet.
PB Daddy Lisa's family tries their best to let Daddy sleep. Stay. Shh. 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 Quiet. But with all the party blastings, sometimes they just can't help it. So please
Stop all that noise.
Nope. Nope.
Let's get out the equipment. It's time to blast. Music.
Wait! Daddy's sleeping. Let's play quietly.
Jump ropes.
Yay! I got it!
Stop all that noise.
Balls.
Be careful!
Who's there?
Yeah! I'll snake you snake!
Please stop all that noise.
We can't help it. It's just what our mom is planning for us.
Uh-huh.
For us.
For us.
Blocks.
We've been on pots and pans to celebrate PBJ Lisa.
Stop all that noise.
Ooh, I just can't hold it anymore. I have to party blast. Going into party blast mode.
Let the party blasting begin. Hey, oh yeah.
Stop all that noise. We just love party blasting like this. Please stop all that noise. I have no choice but to start the hypnotism. You will learn to have fun. You will learn when to sleep. You will start party blasting. Yeah! Wow, I'm feeling weird.
That was some fun party blasting. I love party blasting. It's my favorite. Hey, it's PBJ Lisa. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the PBJ Lisa YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers right now, so press the subscribe button. Love you.